how to set mobile data limit for mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy phones. Want to set mobile data limit for mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy phone? Hey everybody, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set a mobile data limit for mobile hotspots with an easy process. So let's get started. To do that, swipe down the quick settings from the home screen. If you don't see the hotspot option, then extend the quick settings. Now press and hold on the mobile hotspot. Then tap connected device. After that, tap set data limit. Enter the number MB you will set for the limit, like 1000 MB, and then tap OK. So guys, this is how you can set a mobile data limit for mobile hotspots on your Samsung phone. Hope it helps. If you have anything to ask, feel free to ask in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.